So we're starting to hear from Florida residents as they start picking up now. One, a Tennessee native.
Tampa was the first big city to feel the storm's impact. A recent UT grad moved there just 3 months ago. Hurricane Idalia flooded streets, toppled trees, and left thousands in the dark. This was Bailey Alexander's very first experience with this type of storm. She said Tennessee weather prepared her for thunderstorms and tornadoes, but not hurricanes and severe floods. It was her boss who told her she needed to settle in for the next few days.
We didn't start getting rain until about 8 or 9 last night. The sky was gray. It honestly looked like a movie yesterday. It was like just white and gray the entire day. There was no sun. And I got snacks. I honestly charged all my battery packs. I had everything out ready to go.
Her apartment is okay, but she says just a few miles down the road, streets, hotels, and homes are all flooded. Tampa's expecting even more rain over the next few days.
And Church of Christ joining the effort today to assist Florida residents. Anyone in the Nashville area is asked to stop by their warehouse, which is over on Allied Drive. You can't miss it. Volunteers there today will pack 1,500 family food boxes, and that starts at 10 this morning. Lunch will be provided if you decide to help them out. And Marcus will give us a closer look at some of the storm reports in the 5:30 half hour, including wave heights and surge. You can also follow our coverage at WKRN.com.